Concepts of Physics by H.C. Verma is one of the ancient textbooks that are still relevant for competitive exam preparation. Here's a question for you from that book. Consider the situation. All the surfaces are frictionless. Find the acceleration of the blocks. Can you solve this question? Comment below. In reality, if you leave two blocks like this, it would move in this way. So, to find the acceleration of the blocks, let's draw free body diagram for the two blocks. Before that, if you see carefully, this triangle is a right angled triangle with the right angle situated near the pulley, and the sides of the triangle are given as 3, 4 and 5 meters. That makes the other two angles 37 degrees and 53 degrees. Let's divide the triangle into two different right angled triangles and imagine the blocks are moving in this way. Don't worry, if we are wrong, the answer would be negative. The forces acting on this block are the normal force, gravitational force and the tension in the string. Therefore, the free body diagram would look like this. Let's assume that the x-axis is along the inclined plane and the y-axis is perpendicular to the plane in the direction of the normal. The block is not going to move in the direction of the normal, so the only direction it's going to move is along the inclined plane. The component of mg along the incline is mg sine 53 degrees. Therefore, the force equation along the incline can be written as mg sine 53 minus t equals to ma. This is from the Newton's second law, where A is the acceleration of the blocks and T is the tension in the string. Since they are joined together with a string, both has the same acceleration. Now let's go to the other block. Here too, the block doesn't move normal to the inclined plane, so the only direction it's going to move is along the inclined plane. The component of mg along the incline is mg sine 37 degrees. Therefore, the force equation along the incline can be written as T minus mg sine 37 equals to ma. Now there are two unknowns, T and A, and two equations. The value of m is 1 kg and sine 37 equals to 3 by 5 and sine 53 equals to 4 by 5, and taking g equals to 10 meter per second square. By solving these two equations, we get A equals to 1 meter per second square, and if you want, you can calculate T and it equals to 7 newtons. And that's how you solve such problems. Try solving this problem on your own once. And what problem do you want me to solve next? Tell me in the comments. Click the subscribe button and bell icon before someone else clicks it. Run, take the opportunity and be fine-tuned.